Hey you guys, if you would like to see how I go from this to this in a matter of just a few simple steps, then keep watching. And yeah, watch all the way through because I got a few tips that can help my girls with, thinner hair. Hey y'all, so first things first, just ignore the background. I was in the middle of making up my bed, so my pillows was over to the side, so just ignore that. But I did wash my hair with this sparkling cider shampoo and conditioner by OGX. I do have a product review up of that. And just to moisturize my hair today, I'll be using the Frosted Sugar Cookie Conditioner by OGX. But to get started with my puff, I'm going to flip all my hair to the front, take my paddle brush, and start detangling lightly to get it to the top of my head without any tangles, obviously. Once it's tangle free, I put it up in a very, very loose bun on top of my head just to get ready to apply my moisturizer, which is the conditioner, and to apply my gel. So again, I'll be using the Frosted Sugar Cookie Conditioner by OGX, and I'll only be using a little bit over a quarter size amount. And I'm just going to spread that all around the perimeter of my head, pretty much as a base for my gel and, to moisturize the hair. And for my gel, I'll be using the Gorilla Snot gel in the yellow container. I'm going to be using a little over a quarter size amount as well. I also do have a product review up for that gel as well. But I did spread some water in the Gorilla Snot just to dilute it. And then I'm just going to, put it all over my hair. And now I'm going to take that loose bun down and get a hard bristle brush and just start brushing my hair into place to create the ponytail. And now I'm going to take 2 ponytail holders and wrap it around 4 to 5 times. And now I'm going to lightly finger comb out my ponytail, and then I'm going to switch over to a paddle brush. And something about me is I don't like re-adding water to my hair after it's already initially detangled, even when I'm doing a wash and go. So I'm pretty much doing the same here. I'm going to brush out my hair. After detangling, I'm going to take that conditioner again and then just apply about a quarter size amount to my ponytail to get that moisturized. And now I'm going to take my oil of choice, you can use whatever you want, and just spread that all over the ponytail to seal in my moisture. Okay, so now I'm going to take my paddle brush once again and go over it one more time. And then I'm going to braid my hair. Now, one big braid going down. I know y'all thinking, what is she doing? Is she gonna do a puff? But like I just said, if you got thin hair, I got a trick for y'all, so just keep on watching. And after doing the most, take that braid and wrap it around in a pretty tight bun. Then get, a rubber band or a ponytail holder and wrap it up. And kind of get it tight as well, if you want, And now it's time for the edges. So I'm going to take my toothbrush, wet it, put some gel on it, and then get started with my baby ears. And since y'all see me do them a lot, I'm not going to focus too hard on it. I'm actually going to skip past a little bit so this video don't be too long. But y'all know how I do. I'm going to just show y'all this one side. Again, remember we're doing the swoop motion. Just hold on to the hairs while you swoop it over, and you should be good. And then I'm just gonna quickly set it, I guess you could say. So just simply put a little bit of gel all over all my soups, just to ensure that they don't go anywhere. Now I'm about to take the slightest bit of gel and rub it all over the perimeter of my head, just to ensure that there's no flyaways. Now I want to take my scarf to wrap up my hair to set it in place for the next 10 to 15 minutes. So about 15 minutes later, I got dressed, obviously, and now I'm taking off my scarf, and this is what it's looking like right after I take it off. Nice and sleek. And now it's time for the reveal on how we're going to get this puff. A drawstring ponytail, baby. Yes, hunty. It's the model brand in the color 1B. It was $9.99 if you couldn't tell. It's in the style marimba girl, and it's a small puff. And I'm surprised about the fact that it's a small puff because it's a big puff to me. And now I'm going to take that comb that I'm showing you guys and place it right there under my bun, I guess, just to secure it. And then you're going to see me, you know, kind of put it over my bun and pull the drawstring as tight as I can, because I don't want this baby to go nowhere. So I'm going to take this bobby pin and wrap my drawstring around the bun, the ponytail or whatever, and use that bobby pin to secure it in place, because obviously we don't want that to be seen. Look, y'all. Okay, so I know it's supposed to be a voiceover, but y'all see how this puff look? I want to insert a picture right now of how my hair used to look back in high school. Now, if y'all didn't know, over the past few years, my hair has gotten significantly thinner, and my curl pattern would change. Like, I used to have tight THICC curls, which could obviously puff really well. And over the last, I want to say 4 to 5 years, my hair has gotten looser and thinner. It's like a 3B curl pattern now, and I can't do this even if I wanted to. But apparently I can, and it looks good. And as y'all can see, this 1B hair color is my perfect match. That's why I had to wait until that color grew out. But yeah, this is it. Oh, and you guys, you can preserve this at night by simply, you know, taking the puff off and just rewrapping your hair and applying gel in the places that need it. And this should literally last like maybe the whole week, 4 to 5 days. I'm gonna keep this in about 3 to 4 days, but it's up to you. But you can make this last. So you guys, if you enjoy seeing how I went from my thin, you know, hair to this nice voluptuous puff, then please hit that like button, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and share with a friend. I would really appreciate it. And I'm going to see you in my next video, y'all. Bye.